Narendra Modi will be addressing Panchayati Raj Sammelan today in Jamshedpur, where 3,000 Panchayat representatives from all states of the country will participate in the program. This is for the first time that Panchayati Raj Day celebration is being held outside Delhi. The Prime Minister will address the gathering, which will be beamed live to all the Gram Sabhas in the country. Take a look at this report.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address Panchayat Raj Sammelan on the occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day in Jamshedpur, Jharkhand on Sunday. Around 3,000 Panchayat representatives from all states of the country will participate in the program. The Prime Minister will address the gathering, which will be beamed live to all Gram Sabhas of the country.
ग्रामोदय से भारतोदय, जब गांव का विकास होगा तब जाके इस देश का विकास होगा। हम लोग ये समझते हैं इस देश के 68 साल के इतिहास में हमने पहली बार दिल्ली के विज्ञान भवन से बाहर निकाल के हमने पंचायती राज सम्मेलन करने के लिए हमने सोचा था और हमने तय किया था कि दिल्ली में हमारे गांव का सम्मेलन कभी नहीं होगा। हम हर स्टेट में हर साल एक पंचायती राज का सम्मेलन करेंगे जिसमें देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी संबोधित करेंगे।
He will also give away prestigious awards to states like Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Sikkim, which have devolved maximum powers to Panchayat so far. Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat will get awards for having made the maximum progress in aligning their laws to Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas Act 1996. This award is being given for the first time.
हमारे को पूरा विश्वास है अभी ग्रामों का विकास जो मोदी जी चाह रहे हैं और हम लोग भी उन पर पूरा विश्वास है। अभी इतना ज़्यादा कार्य हो रहा है अभी फिलहाल और आगे वो घोषणा करने जा रहे हैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा विकास होने की हमारे को पूरी संभावना है।
मैं यही चाहूँगी कि मोदी जी की जो योजना है ग्राम उदय से भारत उदय तक वो सफल हो।
Gram Uday se Bharat Udaya Abhiyan, a national movement towards social harmony, strengthening of Panchayati Raj, rural development and farmers' progress will conclude on Sunday with PM Modi's speech. Launched on the 14th of April, the campaign focused on generating nationwide efforts on promoting rural development and fostering farmers' progress. Several programs were held during the Gram Uday se Bharat Udaya Abhiyan, including social harmony programs, Gram Kisan Sabha and Gram Sabha meetings to make people aware of the government welfare schemes and collect feedback. April 24 marks a defining moment in the history of decentralization of political power to the grassroots level. The Constitution's 73rd Amendment Act 1992 that came into force with effect from 24th April 1993 has institutionalized Panchayati Raj through the village, intermediate and district level panchayats. Accordingly, the Government of India decided in consultation with the states to celebrate 24th April as National Panchayati Raj Day. With Bureau Inputs, Nishant Saurabh's report, DD News, Jamshedpur.